Hello everyone, I am Socrates Bharati. Today we are going to talk about server-side attack. So for server-side attack, we can use default password or misconfiguration service to gain access to target machines. Today we are going to use backdoor. Some services and software come with embedded backdoor. We are going to exploit today. I am selecting simple exploit and gone deeper to the framework. Now let me show you how to find out the exploit. Again, we are going to use same method of GenMap and gonna use each port by port and Google it. Find the exploit. I am going to use this service. Copy, open browser, paste, exploit. Now see, first result came from Rapid7. Rapid7 is a company making exploit framework. That's why I select and show you today. This is the module name. Copy this module name. I am going to use copy the exploit from Rapid7 module. Hit enter. Now it's changed exploit. Then we are going to use show option. Option 2 is port. We are not going to change because this port is correct one. We are going to change our host. Set our host. My target machine IP address 192.168.40.129. Hit enter. Show options now. Our host IP address changed now. Now we are going to exploit. Successfully completed. Now I can access target computer. ID, the root user ID and uname -a and ls list file for me. This was simple use. In future videos we will see advanced concept. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to see a lot more video like this, subscribe my channel and share my video. If you have any doubts, comment below.